Hey guys, check out these really cool chopsticks that I got. You know what's cool about these chopsticks? They glow in the dark. With these chopsticks, you can light up your mouth while you eat ramen. Not just for eating ramen, for those of you ladies who like to party, you can use these chopsticks as hair sticks and stand out from the rest of the crowd. If you want to get these LED chopsticks, there's a link given in the description box below. So please go get your LED chopsticks. Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me Nambie. It's week 1 in my village and it hasn't stopped raining for the past few days. Luckily, we got a little bit of sunshine this morning, so I'm taking this opportunity to make this video. All the roads out of the village is completely blocked because of the landslides, and I will not be able to make it to the market this week, so I'm going to scrouge for something in our backyard itself. My search has ended so soon. This particular leaf is called the Arobak in my language. I'm not sure about the scientific name. People, if you do know the scientific name, please do enlighten me. This is a sour leaf that goes really well with meat, and today I'm going to cook it with pork. We have the required amount of leaves. I plucked them from about 3 to 4 shrubs because I didn't want to strip away the plant out of its leaves. The ingredients required to make this dish are: I'm making use of 3 to 4 handfuls of Arobak leaves, 250 grams of pre-boiled pork, 4 to 5 chilies, salt to taste. I'm making use of these chilies because that's all we have. Fresh green chilies are best to work. So what we need to do now is wash the leaves and cut them. They don't have to be perfect, just shred them into pieces. Looks like we're done. Now let's get cooking. And some salt. Let's drop in the pork pieces. Give it a good stir and cover it with a lid. Allow the juices of the leaves to come out and soften. Looks like the leaves have softened. Now let's add some water and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Looks like it's ready. Let's serve this with hot steamed rice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.